Good day, everyone. I'm Sharrmanrajan Thiyagarajan, the team lead for this project. Joining me today is Jaiyasilan, Rajamurthy, Ganesharajah, Ratna, and Yogaranjani Gobalakrishnan. And we are here to discuss about the Klang Valley Double Track Project, KVDT, a significant initiative to upgrade Malaysia's infrastructure. This project offers a unique chance to enhance transportation while embedding the sustainable practices. Well, when it comes to sustainability focus, sustainability in project management means finding a balance between environmental, social, and economical factors. Our presentation today will explore how integrating these sustainability goals within the KVDT project can address key challenges and contribute to the national development. We will be highlighting how this project aligns with several Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) set forth by the United Nations, underscoring the Malaysia's commitment to sustainable growth. Today, I'll be taking you through the literature review, project background, and project charter. So now let's get started. The Klang Valley Double Tracking KVDT project aims to enhance Malaysia's rail network efficiency, reliability, and safety. Now let's take a closer look at the project charter. This document defines the scope, objective, stakeholders, and the expected benefits of the KVDT project. The charter ensures all parties have a shared understanding of the project's direction, expected outcomes, and resources requirements. One of the key SDGs we are addressing in the KVDT project is SDG 6, which focuses on clean water and sanitations. By modernizing railway infrastructure, we aim to minimize environmental impact, particularly concerning water pollutions. The KVDT project also aligns with SDG 7, promoting affordable and clean energy through improved energy efficiency in rail operations. It also supports the SDG 9 by fostering innovation and advancing infrastructure development, which is very much crucial for a sustainable and modernized transportations networking. Last but not least, the KVDT project also supports SDG 11, which is set to reduce the urban congestion and promote efficient public transportation. This shift will definitely support sustainable urban growth by providing an alternative to road transport, thus reducing the carbon emissions and enhancing livability. Scope of the project. The end goal is to upgrade tracks, build new station, install modern signaling, and use eco-friendly materials. This includes doubling tracks, rehabilitating old ones, and improving rail infrastructures. Inclusions. Key inclusions are track upgrades, new signaling systems, and station developments along with energy-efficient depots. Exclusions. The project exclusions routine maintenance and non-rail infrastructure like roads and bridges, focusing solely on the rail transport. Well, when it comes to the stakeholder analysis, the key stakeholders in the KVDT project include government agencies, funding bodies like KWSP, technical engineers, and the local communities impacted by the project. When it comes to the stakeholder engagement, a successful engagement involves regular meetings with the government bodies for compliance, weekly coordinations with the contractors and engineers, and community outreach to address the concerns. When it comes to the preliminary risk assessment, like any other large infrastructure projects, KVDT faces the potential risk as well. This includes budget overruns, environmental impacts, and weather-related delays. However, the mitigation strategies are in place, such as contingency budgets, sustainable construction practices, and weather forecasting tools.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jaiyasilan Rajamurthy. In task 2, I'll be sharing the approach we have taken for project cost management and scheduling for the Klang Valley double track project. Okay, we begin the top-down estimation, which use historical data from a similar project to provide quick early phase estimates. However, adjustment may be needed as the project evolves. Once the design are available, we apply bottom-up estimation, analyzing the detailed costs of individual project component to ensure more accuracy. In addition, we utilize earned value management (EVM), which compare planned versus actual cost to track performance and forecast potential overruns. This enable us to maintain the control of over the budget. Control and reporting, cost control and reporting. Our cost estimation strategy combines both top-down and bottom-up methods to create more reliable budgets and refine estimates. We establish budget and cost baseline that set a structured budget for each phase, helping us manage costs efficiently. Through the cost control through EVM, we monitor budget and schedule using cost performance index CPI and schedule performance index SPI. Yeah. Regular cost forecast using that we update with the spending trends and can we detect issues early. We also have change control system to evaluate the cost impact of scope changes. And we provided stakeholders with cost reporting for regular updates on the cost status and any variations. Contingency and planning of and WBS. To manage risk, we reserve 10% of budget contingency planning, which act as a buffer and unexpected costs. We also use work breakdown structure WBS, which break down the task accurate cost allocations and scheduling and aligning expenditure with the specific project phases. Okay, for the scheduling, for project scheduling, we're using milestone baseline scheduling, setting key milestone to gauge progress at the critical points. This allows us to make necessary adjustment to stay on the track. We update our schedule regularly through the forecast scheduling based on actual progress and resources usages. This ensure our cost and time estimates are always aligned, helping us manage the resource efficiently across the project timeline. Yeah. So we go for task 3, project organization structure. So moving on the task 3, I'll explain the project organization structure that will be implemented for KVD project. Matric structure overview. Given the disciplinary nature of project, we have obtained for metric structure. This structure combine both functional and project-based elements, offer flexibility and resources sharing across the various domains. Benefit of the metric structure. The metric structure provided several key benefits such as ability to adapt changing project needs. It's also encouraged efficient resource sharing and foster collaboration among the experts for the different field, driving innovation and ensuring the sustainability solution. Okay. For the roles and responsible, key roles in the project included project manager is Sharrmanrajan, who oversee the project, manage the budget and schedule the scope. Sustainability expert is Ms. Yogaranjani, guiding the project and sustainability principles and mitigation environmental impacts. Infrastructure specialist is myself, Jaiyasilan, responsible for design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure. Last is community engagement officer is Ganesharajah, ensuring active participate and address community concerns. Okay. We have implemented effective communication channel in decision making and communication area and decision making strategy to ensure the smooth coordination across the project. Okay, so the next is challenges and mitigation. While the metric structure offer flexibility, it also brings challenges such as complexity and potential conflict between the managers. To mitigate these, ensuring clear and accountability for fostering and collaborative environment among the team members. Okay, last but not least, in conclusion, the metric structure will be enable the KVT project to be flexible, resource efficient, and innovative. We are, with a clear organization structure, we are confident in our ability to deliver a project successfully. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Yogaranjani Gobalakrishnan. In task number 4, I'll be covering the project management software. Our choice of software is Microsoft Project, a comprehensive solution for managing large-scale infrastructure projects. Why Microsoft Project? This is because Microsoft Project is ideal for KVDT, offering advanced features like task tracking, collaboration tools, and document management. It's the perfect fit for the project's complexity and scope. There are 3 key features. First key feature is advanced task tracking. Microsoft Project's task tracking with Gantt charts, timelines, and dependency management allows project managers to visualize tasks, identify critical paths, and meet tight deadlines essential for KVDT. Key feature 2, collaboration tools. Integration with Microsoft Teams boosts collaboration. The dashboard lets team members to share updates, assign tasks, and communicate instantly, vital for large KVDT team. Key feature number 3 is document management. Document management is streamlined, storing everything in one system. This ensures the KVDT team work with up-to-date information, minimizing errors. Evaluation criteria number 1 is team size and complexity. Microsoft Project's scalability support KVDT's large team and complex railway infrastructure, facilitating interdepartmental collaboration. Evaluation criteria number 2 is ease of use. Microsoft Project integrates seamlessly with tools like Excel and Outlook, making it easy for a KVDT team to adapt quickly without heavy trainings. And the last one is aligned with KVDT's needs. From scheduling and cost management to environmental risk mitigation, Microsoft Project aligns with KVDT's needs, ensuring smooth progress while meeting sustainability and budget goals.
Recording in progress. Hi, good day to everyone. So, for my group, I'll be presenting on task 5. So, my name is Ganesharajah Ratna. In task 5, I'll be talking about the project performance domain. Okay, so Klang Valley double track success relies on stakeholders and delivery. Stakeholder performance and delivery performance domains are crucial due to project complexity, impact, and stakeholder involvement. So number 1, we will start off with stakeholder performance domain. Why it's critical? Regulatory approvals compliances in terms of engaging stakeholders, ensuring alignment with regulations, avoids delays and penalties, community support and public trust, being proactive, communication minimizes disruption and builds trust. This also safeguards the project's success. Number 2 would be on a delivery performance domain. Why is this critical? So this is mainly meeting scope and quality standards, ensuring quality standards are met, guarantees a safe and reliable transit system. And the next point would be on efficient resource and budget utilization. So effective delivery ensures optimal resource use, cost control, and on-time completion. Okay. Next point, just to elaborate more on task 5. So stakeholder performance domain strategies. First thing would be stakeholder identification and analysis. So we need to identify and classify who our stakeholders are based on their power and interest level. Power here meaning their involvement. Next would be on stakeholder engagement planning, developing a plan with communication channels, frequency, and engagement methods for each stakeholder groups. Next point would be on delivering performance domain. This is on the strategies. First point would be scope and quality management. We should clearly define project scope and implement strict quality control processes. Okay. Point 2 would be on resource optimization and cost control, utilizing cost control tools, effective schedule techniques to optimize resource use and to always stay within our budget. Okay. Continuous improvement. So regular performance reviews, lessons learned sessions, KPI monitoring, and ensure transparency and project adaptation. So moving on to conclusions. In conclusion, the KVDT or Klang Valley Double Track project stands as a transformative initiative that aims to improve Malaysia's railway infrastructure in line with sustainable development goals. So here we have 4 types of sustainable SDGs in short terms, SDG 6, 7, 9, and 11. Okay, by integrating sustainability into each phase of the project, supports access to cleaner water, promote affordable and renewable energy, advance resilience infrastructure, and foster sustainable urban communities. This is evidenced by some of the key tasks. Task 1 would be to tackle the conflict of short-lived prices against long-term objectives by implementing renewable energy solutions and sustainable materials that will not only help the planet, but all stakeholders as well. This is in line with our governance and ESG controls. Task 2, costing, ensure an integrated WBS and plan resource to avoid bottlenecks and resource constraints. Number 3, a Matric organizational model was used to improve coordination and information sharing by tapping into collaborative opportunities among the various groups involved within the project. Task 4, we chose Microsoft Project as the managing software to utilize its advanced tracking and collaboration features that best fulfills the Klang Valley Double Track's needs and its requirements. Task 5, evaluated the projects and assess the performance of different domains, especially on sustainability oriented targets, which emphasizes on infrastructure improvement, as well as community participation, making KVDT a reference point for urban transportation within Malaysia. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks.